How to grow your freelancing business in 2024 even as a newbie, $1,000 a month. Hello, and welcome to Value Tout TV channel. My name is David, and in this video, I'm going to give you some tips for growing your freelancing business in 2024, even if you're just starting out. Freelancing has become increasingly popular in recent years. In 2022, there were over 59 million freelancers in the US alone, and that number is expected to grow in 2024 and beyond. So if you're thinking about starting a freelance business, there's never been a better time. In this video, I'll share strategies to help you get clients and grow your business in 2024, even if you have zero experience. Let's get started. Tip 1. Choose a profitable niche. When just starting out, it's tempting to say you can do it all as a freelancer. But having a niche makes you stand out and attract the right type of clients. Research what skills are in demand for 2024 and beyond. Cybersecurity, virtual assistants, and content creators will continue to be profitable. Choose an area you're skilled in or willing to learn. Tip 2. Build a portfolio. The best way to demonstrate your abilities is by showing, not just telling. Create a website to showcase your work, including writing samples, design templates, completed projects, testimonials, etc. Consider offering discounted or free services at first to get portfolio pieces. A solid portfolio builds trust with potential clients. Tip 3. Leverage online platforms. Sites like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer make it easy to connect with clients all over the world. Create a strong profile highlighting your skills, availability, rates, and reviews. Bid on projects that fit your niche. As you build reviews, it gets easier over time. Also use LinkedIn to connect with potential clients in your industry. Tip 4. Network online and locally. Look for Facebook groups, Slack channels, or mastermind groups for freelancers in your specialty. Introduce yourself and offer advice where you can. Attend local meetups and conferences to meet freelancers and small business owners. Hand out business cards and nurture relationships over time. Conclusion: growing a successful freelance business takes time, patience, and persistence. But by picking a profitable niche, build up your portfolio, and networking both online and locally, you can gain momentum in 2024 even as a newbie. Stay confident in your skills and don't be afraid to start small. You've got this. Let me know in the comments if you have any other tips for freelancing success in 2024. Be sure to like and subscribe for more business and freelancing content. Thanks for watching.